Ready.
Hey Johnny, it's Steve Kelly, Kelly's husband. This is the door to that scamp. First of all, wanted to thank you for your advice and stuff from earlier. And we haven't gotten back in touch with you. We had a severe thunderstorms in the area in Omaha, pretty much lost electricity for several days, so now we're back. So anyhow, you mentioned in an earlier episode that you cut pieces of oak to fill in this area of the scamp windows, and we used an old oak bed frame and got that dry fitted in good English, but it's a little off. We don't have a nice rip saw like you do, so it's a little bit off. We're interested in what we can do to seal this in. I don't think that good stuff or great stuff they sell at the hardware stores would be good. That might expand too much. Thinking maybe silicone or the butyl tape, or and fiberglass, maybe fiberglassing. Any advice you can give on that would be gratefully appreciated. We're gonna fill this in. In our town, we can't really find the kitty hair stuff you're very fond of. So we're gonna try to find a boating place or something, but we'll figure that out. This is pretty much done. Like I said, just some advice on how to move forward with this, and we appreciate it, and we keep watching your channel. Your scamp's looking really good with that gel coating thing you did. That white stuff is awesome. So maybe we'll get to that point. Thanks.